Good morning, everyone. Students, today in economic class, you are studying the chapter Rural Development. In rural development, you are studying that what are the different areas of getting employment apart from agriculture. That is, the other areas of employment other than agriculture sector that people previously are thinking about employment in agriculture sector only, which is the risky one. Because agriculture we are not doing throughout the year, and rest of the time the farmers are remain idle and they are not having any work. Because of that, they are facing poverty and other financial problems. So the you farmers has to the people in the rural areas has to find employment in other areas also. That is diversification. So under diversification, you have studied different modes of employment. And now the next is information technology. Information technology, it refers to that branch of engineering that deals with the use of computers and telecommunications to retrieve and store and transit information. That is, under diversification, you can also think about going to information technology, that is adoption of IT sector in rural areas also. That is, if you are using technology, like if you are using computers and other networking networks, so that you will be having aware of the what are the changes taking place in the economy, what are the new inventions are there in the economy. So the IT sector is equally important for the rural development also, because IT industries are helping in solving the problem of food shortage. Government now find the problems, how the problems of food shortage arise, and what are the methods through which the food insecurity can be problem of food insecurity can be solved. So this will be helped by the IT sector. This information technology will help government in solving the problem of food shortage. As well as information technology also provides valuable information about the crop production, that is information about the multiple cropping, and so increasing the soil's fertility, and also the best use of fertilizers and the pesticides. Because with the help of the new technology, the farmers can learn many new things, and he will use these new technologies in their productivity in the farming, and in this way he can increase the productivity also. Information technology also provides valuable information to the village people, to the rural areas, and in this way he will work as the information provider. Just like how to increase the fertility of the soil, how to maintain the cropping pattern, how to change, how we can use the multiple cropping, etc. Information technology जो है farmers में rural areas के लिए भी बहुत important है, because through information technology the people living in rural areas will understand about the new things, new changes taking place in agriculture sector also, and in this way he will increase the productivity. So if we are using the computers and telecommunications, we can store our information, and also we can transfer information. We also get information of other countries also, how they are working in this particular field and getting productivity, increasing productivity. So the aim of increasing the role of information technology is to make every village a knowledge center where it provides a sustainable option for employment and livelihood. Information technology provides knowledge and make the village as a knowledge center, so that that particular village will be having knowledge of everything, knowledge of new technology, knowledge of the new changes taking place in the economy, and also it provides valuable sustainable development technology that technique also, that how we can use the technique of sustainable development, how can we maintain, and so that we can increase the employment, and we can increase the livelihood options also. So this sustainable development can also be understood with the help of information technology only. Information technology also provides eco-friendly techniques, also gives information about the eco-friendly techniques to use in the agriculture sector, and then how to increase the productivity, how to use the green revolution, etc. So this information technology is also the best mode of diversification. That is, we can go in the this sector also, so that we can have knowledge of various changes taking place in agriculture sector and for the rural development also. So information technology is also the one of the diversification of the from agriculture sector to other areas of employment. Now, if we are thinking about the rural development, so what are the changes required for rural development? अगर आप rural development करना चाहते हैं, so rural development के लिए you have to do some changes. You have to solve the problems in coming under rural development. So these problems can be solved, and rural development can only be maintained when we have to do the following changes. What are the changes? अगर आपको rural development करना है, rural development के लिए आपको कुछ changes करने की जरूरत है, and the changes are we have to stress on diversification. Yes, diversification. Now you can understand that that is the employment opportunities apart from agriculture. Means agriculture sector को छोड़ करके भी rural areas में people can do so many things. So they have to stress. They have to focus more on diversification. Like in rural areas and villages, you can start dairying. You can start poultry farming. You can start horticulture, etc. So you animal husbandry also you can do. So सिर्फ आप agriculture ही नहीं, अगर आपके पास प्रॉपर फील्ड है, प्रॉपर खेत है, तो आप फार्मिंग के बारे में सोच सकते हैं. बट इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग दैट मच ऑफ लैंड टू फॉर दैट यू कैन प्रोड्यूस agriculture work you can do. So you just think of other options also, that is diversification, that is starting of dairy, starting of poultry farming, starting of that horticulture, agro based industries, etc., and other areas of diversification. So we have to give more stress on diversification. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा diversification को पर ध्यान देना है, diversification करना है ताकि rural development हो सके. Next is rural and urban linkage. We have to make a connectivity between the rural and the urban areas, and for that we have to increase the infrastructure also. That is, we have proper roads, proper road transportation is there. We have to easily accessible market should be there, ताकि रूरल एरिया से अर्बन एरियाज तक जाने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो, वहाँ से कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर हो, वहाँ से हम मार्केट की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे, इवन वी कैन टेक आवर प्रोडक्ट टू मार्केट इजीली. सो देर मस्ट बी हैविंग अ लिंकेज बिटवीन द रूरल एंड द अर्बन एरियाज. अर्बन एरियाज और रूरल एरियाज में आपस में कनेक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए, आपस में क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं अर्बन एरियाज में और रूरल एरियाज में, किस चेंजेस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, that should be needed, and proper marketing system is needed, proper credit system is needed, then only rural development will take place. Now, better facilities. If we want to do the rural development, we have to increase the facilities in rural areas. That is, we have to increase the infrastructural facilities. We have to provide better facilities to the farmers, to the rural people, so that the rural development will be possible. And next is we have to give more emphasis on sustainable development. Sustainable development is only possible when the farmers and or the people of the rural areas use eco-friendly technology for sustainable livelihood and for increasing the productivity. And this will be possible only for when we using the sustainable development. We have to focus on sustainable development. That is, we have to use such methods that it doesn't lose the fertility of the soil. It doesn't detroit the resources. So that if we are giving more attention on sustainable development, then only the rural development will be possible. So student, you have studied the chapter rural development. In rural development, you have studied that if we want to develop the country our country, if develop the economy of the country, develop our country, then only first we have to develop the rural areas. Rural development is must. Without rural development, we cannot think of urban development. Urban areas are already developed, so we have to give more focus on rural areas of the country, because maximum portion of our country are rural area, and the people are living in rural areas are very poor, and their economic condition is also very bad. So if we want to develop our country, we have start from that areas only, and for that rural development is possible only when we are giving stress on diversification, when we are providing proper market credit facilities to the farmers or to the rural people, and also we have to provide proper marketing system, and we should aware them about the other modes of employment through diversification. We have to government has to give more focus on these areas, so that the rural development will be possible. So rural development is possible only when we are focusing on these changes, that these changes are required. That is, we have to give more stress on diversification, that rural and urban connectivity should be there. We have to provide better infrastructure facilities in the rural areas, better electricity, irrigation facilities, communication facilities, transportation facilities, etc., so that the development will be possible. And we have to give more focus on sustainable development strategies. We have to use that technology, that strategy of sustainable development, so that rural development will be possible.